Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So if you have a post you want to remove from your profile, it's always better to archive that post, so you can again back on your profile if you want. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open your Instagram app on device. After that, go on your profile by tapping on this little icon of your profile in bottom left corner of the screen. And now you are on profile and choose one post you want to, and then you need to click on this three dot in top right corner of photo. Next you need to tap on first option on this menu, where is written archive, and you are archive post. So next, if you want to unarchive, go on this three horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. Then you will see this archive option, so click on it. After that, go on post you are archived by tapping on post. When you open a post, go on this three dot in top right corner over a post. And then you will see menu, and you need to click on this plus button where is written show on profile, and confirm you want it. So now go on your profile and refresh is, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.